I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious milkshake using Injoy powder. First, let's gather everything we need to get started. You'll want 1 packet of Injoy milkshake powder, 1 cup of cold milk, and about 1/2 cup of ice. Also, grab your blender, a measuring cup, and a nice serving glass. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready for action before we begin this simple process. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start blending. Carefully measure 1/4 of a cup of your chosen Injoy milkshake powder and pour it into your blender. Next, add 1 full cup of cold milk. For that perfect frosty consistency, toss in about 1/2 cup of ice cubes. These measurements will help ensure your milkshake is wonderfully thick and flavorful, just how you like it. With all your ingredients in the blender, it's time to create that perfect texture. Secure the lid and blend the mixture on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll want to keep blending until all the ice is completely crushed and the mixture appears smooth and creamy. Once it reaches this ideal consistency, carefully pour your freshly made milkshake into your favorite serving glass without delay. Now for the fun part, customization and enjoyment. You can elevate your milkshake by adding a swirl of whipped cream on top or a delightful drizzle of chocolate or caramel syrup. For an extra treat, consider fresh fruit slices or some chocolate shavings. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately to savor their cold, creamy texture and rich flavor. Cheers to your delicious homemade Injoy milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.